After opening the week at 75.63, the rupee remained volatile and touched a 20-month low of 76.31 on Thursday before ending the week a tad higher at 76.08. The fall in forex reserves by about $7 billion in the last 1 month period, the net portfolio outflows of over $2.3 billion in November and December till date have contributed to weakness in the rupee exchange rate. So far, we have not seen any active intervention from RBI to calibrate the rupee's decline, and the importers with unhedged payables rush to the market to hedge their exposures, which has led to a sharp weakness in the rupee exchange rate. We believe RBI may strongly intervene at 76.50 support level in their effort to contain any undue volatility in the currency and to prevent any sharp decline in the rupee exchange rate in the background of robust economic fundamentals. In the current scenario, it would be a good strategy to sell medium-term receivables to take advantage of the higher forward dollar premia available in the market to garner higher export realization. The importers with unhedged payables will be in a dilemma whether to hedge or not at the current weaker spot rupee levels. We do not recommend the importers to hedge their payables beyond the 1 month maturity at this point in time. Some of the international market analysts expect the domestic economy to continue to show positive surprises and record up to 9% growth in the next fiscal. In the current financial year, the growth forecast is anticipated at 10.5% against the consensus forecast of 8.5% to 9%. Despite excise duty cuts on fuel, the CPI inflation stood at 4.91% in November, a 3-month high, compared with 4.48% in October. WPI jumped to 12-year high of 14.23% in the month of November from 12.54% in October. Rising inflation will pressurize the RBI to hike the repo rate by 75 basis points or so in calendar year 2022. The Fed's policy making committee left its benchmark rate near zero, but now projects 3 rate hikes by 2022, followed by 3 rate hikes in 2023, which could lift the Fed's benchmark overnight lending rate to range between 1.50% to 1.75% at the end of 2023. Fed also increased the tapering of its asset purchases by $30 billion from January 2022 to complete the unwind by the end of March 2022. That means market rate hike could be on the table as early as March 2022. India's trade deficit was $22.9 billion in November, with imports jumped to $52.9 billion and exports registered a rise of $30.04 billion. During the April to November 2021 period, the trade gap widened to $120.76 billion compared to $45.66 billion in the same period of the previous year. In April to November 2021, exports were at USD 263.57 billion. In the remainder 4 months of the current fiscal, the average monthly exports of USD 34.11 billion must be achieved to accomplish the export target of USD 400 billion set by the government for the current financial year. It is estimated the RBI is holding a forward dollar purchase position book of about USD 30 billion, and before the end of March 2022, the central bank may be looking to undertake sell and buy swaps with banks to reduce the swap book size and increase the forex reserves to about USD 660 billion or so at the end of March 2022. The sell and buy operations by RBI shall keep the forwards to remain higher, probably up to the end of the current financial year. The higher forward dollar premium prevailing for 6-month maturity provides a better opportunity for exporters to sell their medium-term receivables at favorable exchange rate to enhance the export realization, and the exporters can target a spot exchange rate level of 76.30 or better to sell their medium-term receivables. The quantum of sell-side intervention from RBI can be expected to be much higher in the coming days to result in a solid recovery towards 75.70 level before the first week of January 2022. The absence of RBI intervention, even at the 76.50 level, quite unexpected as of now, would create a panic situation in the market with undue currency volatilities posing threats for a steeper decline in the rupee exchange rate towards the 77 level before any recovery can be seen. The paying interest in forwards is significant up to 3-month maturities. The 1 month, 2 month, and 3-month forward dollar premium is currently quoted at 3.80%, 3.85%, and 3.90% per annum, respectively. The forward market differential between the 3-month over the 12-month maturity has contracted to 68 basis points from 90 basis points at the beginning of this week, and this indicates the huge paying interest in short-term forwards.